This is the king of all sauces. It may look like a regular jus, but it's a jus gras, or a jus with the fat still in it. And in this case, we're using Iberico ham bones to make this sauce. When it comes to cooking, there's good fat and bad fat, and this is definitely good fat. And we're going to keep every drop of it. So you can find these at most specialty delis or grocery stores. If you ask, they can usually chop it up for you like this. So you notice that there's no outer meat left, so it's not going to be salty. We have a tiny bit of the meat close to the bone still there. We have some of the skin and the fat. It's going to taste amazing. Plenty of bone marrow. Preheat your oven to the hottest setting. Cook these for about 10 to 15 minutes. It might be a little smoky, but don't worry about that. Make sure your tongs and all your other implements are dry, otherwise the fat might pop. So what we're looking for here is an even dark brown, no black, nothing burns. This already smells amazing. So for this stage, this is looking pretty good. We're going to add some vegetables now. About 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery, half an onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. And we're going to cook this for another 10-15 minutes. So 10-15 minutes later, you should have something like this. All the meat and bones are golden brown. The vegetables are caramelized. And let's not forget the -- rule in cooking: color is flavor. Now, if we were making a normal jus, we would strain off the fat by now, but we're going to keep it in. So we're going to transfer this to a stock pot. We're going to deglaze the pan with cold water or white wine, and then cover everything with cold water. No salt, no seasonings, just some herbs. Cook for about half an hour on low heat, remove the bones, and then filter through a fine chinois or sieve. Reduce on the lowest setting possible. It should take about half an hour for this amount. So you want to be very careful when your sauce starts to reduce this much. If you leave it unattended, it could split. So you want to keep agitating it, move it around. So this consistency is looking pretty good. The sauce has a nice shine to it. And there we go. Look at that. Liquid gold. Beautiful thick sauce, no thickening agents, just pure flavor. The sauce takes a bit of time to make, but it's so good. You can also portion it and freeze it, and it will last for months. The sauce pairs with game, steaks, chicken, pork. It brings your dish to a whole new level. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. Happy cooking!